Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're about to work on this 2012 X5, and over here I want you to show you this. We got a little incident right here where we got a little key scratches, but I'm gonna show you the easiest and quickest way how to fix this. So guys, you already know the deal. Let's get to work. All right guys, so before I get ready to clean this panel, I want to go ahead and tape up the area around the door seal, because this is the only area that we're going to be working in. So we're going to blend this area right here. So we're going to go ahead and let's get this thing taped up. All right guys, so now we got this area all taped up. So next we're gonna hit this with an 800 wet sand grit and sand it down. But first we need to wipe it down with lacquer thinner and get all the oil and grease off of it, and then we will do the sanding process. So let's go. Alright guys, so we already got this area sanded. I still need to go back and do a little bit of more sanding after we put on this glazing putty. So since these scratches are not as deep, I can put in some glazing putty and it'll fill it up nice, and then we'll come back and wet sand this whole door panel with the glazing putty again, throw some primer on it, and then we'll paint. So let's not waste no time. Let's get to work. Okay you guys, so now we got this thing all primered. The primer has sit here and dried, so now we're gonna go ahead and wet sand this whole area once more before we get ready to spray the paint. So let's go. I'm just doing this because I don't want water to go inside that sleeve. That's a nightmare. Alright guys, so we got this thing already sanded, and now we just need to get it ready to prep for paint. So we went over with an 800 grit sandpaper, so now we're about to wipe this down, wax and grease remover it, and then we're going to tack it, and then put down our first coat of base coat. So basically, we are only going to be around in this area where we're going to try to blend our base coat in between this, so we don't have to paint the whole, don't have to base coat the whole door. So that is the plan, and let's go ahead and let's get this done. Okay, so I got the area already sanded, prepped, and now I'm gonna take my tack rag and go over it, and then we'll be able to start spraying some color on it and blending this area in. Alright guys, it's the next day, so now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to spray the first coat of base coat, and then we're gonna hit it with the clear coat, and this thing will be finished. So guys, let's not waste no time, let's get to work. that's it. The X5 is done. The door turned out phenomenal. So now that's all we got to do. I can't believe how well it did in this garage, but stay tuned and I'll see you on the next video.